What if I told you that sometimes the best commercial real estate strategy is not selling? A lot of real estate investors think that the only way to unlock wealth is to sell a property, pay taxes, and move on to the next deal. But sophisticated investors often ask a different question. How do we create liquidity while still keeping the asset? We recently worked on a flex industrial property near the Dumbarton Corridor in the Silicon Valley market. Strong tenant, strategic location, long-term upside. But here's where it got interesting. The loan was approaching maturity, interest rates had increased dramatically, and the tenant's lease was getting closer to expiration. The highly experienced CRE brokers and advisors first re-underwrote the property in order to answer questions such as, is this property still optimized for today's market? Can this asset create more opportunities? How do we strengthen valuation before lenders even look at it? What can potentially change cash flow, future borrowing power, future acquisitions, and long-term wealth preservation? Before making any refinance decisions, we looked at how lease structure, tenant stability, financing leverage, and long-term positioning could completely change the outcome. Then came the bigger question. How do you potentially access equity without triggering a taxable sale? Most people never realize there are multiple ways sophisticated investors think about liquidity, leverage, and tax efficiency in commercial real estate. And the answer is hardly one-dimensional. It involves thinking several moves ahead. That's the difference between transactional thinking and strategic ownership. The best investors don't just buy and sell properties. They continuously reposition them. With the help of highly seasoned CRE advisors and agents at the Ivy Group, they learn to look at these factors strategically. Financing, tenant relationships, taxes, estate planning, and long-term portfolio growth. Sometimes, a single industrial property can become far more than just a building. It can become a cash cow, a financing tool, a long-term appreciation vehicle, and a platform for future opportunities, all at the same time. So, are you simply owning real estate, or are you strategically engineering wealth through it? If you want to learn how experienced investors think beyond the transaction, follow the Ivy Group for more commercial real estate insights. And if you want access to the full, behind-the-scenes case study and advanced strategies, visit the Ivy Group courses and newsletter. The Ivy Group, commercial properties above and beyond.